Prepare to astound your friends with a disappearing doorway, as we're diving into creating a super slick, seamless 3x3 piston door that works flawlessly in both Minecraft Bedrock and Java. First, gather your supplies. You'll need redstone dust, repeaters, torches, sticky pistons, building blocks to match your wall, and pressure plates. The exact amount will depend on your design, but having extra is always a good idea. Now, dig a 3x3 hole in the wall where you want your door to be. This is where the magic happens. Dig 2 blocks deep in front of the 3x3 hole that will be used for redstone later on. Place 3 sticky pistons on either side of the 3x3 hole. These will retract the blocks when the door is open. Make sure they're facing inward, ready to push the blocks that will form your door. Now, place your chosen building blocks in front of the pistons, forming the seamless 3x3 door. These will blend in with your wall when the door is closed. Time for the redstone. Behind the wall, create a simple circuit using redstone dust and repeaters to power the pistons. Repeaters are important here because they will extend the signal to reach all the pistons. Place pressure plates in front of the door on both sides when stepped on. These plates will activate the redstone circuit, retracting the pistons and opening the door. And there you have it, a fully functional, seamless 3x3 piston door in Minecraft. It's perfect for secret bases, hidden entrances, or just showing off your redstone skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome Minecraft builds.